What is Gram staining procedure? This is a differential staining technique which used for bacterial classification and identification of the bacteria, whether it is gram-positive or gram-negative. It is useful for diagnosis and treatment guide. It differentiates the gram-positive as it contains the purple color because of its thick peptidoglycan, which retains the crystal violet iodine complex. So the principle of that is such it contains higher peptidoglycan content, while the gram-negative, it has the pink or red color because the thin peptidoglycan loses the CVI or the crystal violet iodine complex. And also it contains higher lipid content. Way back in history, Dr. Hans Christian Gram introduced this Gram staining. He is a Danish bacteriologist. So in 1882, he used that technique to identify bacteria causing pneumonia. So the Gram staining uses aseptic technique, which means that you're going to use alcohol lamp or Bunsen burner for the flame and also sterilize water to prevent contamination for accurate bacterial identification. And you can do the gram staining in your room. No need for laminar flow hood. So for the gram staining, it actually an antibiotic susceptibility testing, the outer membrane containing the lipopolysaccharide or the LPS in gram-negative bacteria acts as a permeability barrier that blocks the entry of antibiotics, and it contributes to higher resistance profiles relative to many gram-positives. So for the immune response, the LPS in gram-negative acts as an endotoxin, which stimulates the strong immune reactions, while gram-positive produces exotoxins. So here's the reference. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.